Good day guys, so if your brightness slider is missing in Windows 11, don't worry, this is usually caused by a driver or display setting issue, and let us fix this step by step. So firstly, click on the Wi-Fi/sound and battery icon in the taskbar to open Quick Settings. So in here, if the brightness slider isn't there, continue to the next step. So in my case, as you can see, I will only have a sound slider, and that's because I am on a desktop PC and not on the laptop. All right, and now let's continue. You just need to open up a device manager. All right, just open up this window and then just expand the display adapters. So in my case, it's going to be, let me find it. There you go, display adapters. So this is my GPU, and then right click and click on update the driver and search automatically to make sure that the best drivers are installed on your system. After that, you can also in device manager expand monitors. So just find your monitors right here. And if generic PNP monitor is disabled, just right click it and choose enable device. So just right click and then enable is going to be a button here. This alone restores the brightness slider for many users. Also go into your settings and make sure that you have the latest updates installed as well for your system. So just resume or just check for updates and make sure that all the latest system updates are installed for you. And then the laptop only fix, you go to settings right here, then you go to system, and then you go to display. And if the brightness slider appears there, but not in the quick settings, toggle add quick settings titles, toggle add quick settings styles, and then brightness. And these are the fixes for you guys. Hopefully this assists you. And don't forget to follow all of my steps. So update drivers, enable your monitor, and install updates to restore full display control. That's it for this one, guys. Enjoy and see you in the next one.